Hello and welcome to another MCO market update on Solana. Context-wise, nothing has changed and all support levels are still holding. I shared with you in the last update that as long as the price stays above this red line, that's our key level at $132.50, the focus can still be on higher prices. The price has formed a 5-wave move up from the April low, and with that, it has confirmed at least the first solid confirmation for us that a substantial low has indeed formed on the 7th of April. Now, the price is still pushing higher. In our member live stream today, we have established another target or defined another target for this 5th wave to the upside together. That was based on a member question. You know, we use these member live streams to discuss charts, answer questions, and so on. And one question was about the different ways of calculating targets for wave 5, which I demonstrated in the live stream. If you're interested, the recording is still available. And we determined another key level, the 61.8 extension at $152.80, which seems to be a relevant target in this 5th wave as well. So we'll see if the price can get there. So at the moment, shouldn't be a great surprise that we still push higher, given that, as I said, we have stayed above that last key level there, that swing low. We can raise that level now, and we can raise it to the last swing low, which formed here a little higher than that, at around $134. So only a break below that level would now indicate a top of sorts is in place, and the wave 2 pullback has potentially started. For now, the idea is that we could even move towards that $152.80 level next, and we'll see if the market reacts to that. I will continue to provide the next upside levels, as we work our way higher. That being said, it is now a proper 5-wave move up. A very healthy 5th wave is formed, but we haven't reached that $152.80 level yet. We don't have to get there, but it's just based on, target measurements, an ideal target. $152.80. The next resistance based on Fib levels is $150.73. We've also broken above this previous swing high from March. There was literally only very minimal resistance. That's a good sign, a bullish sign. Yeah, I expect a little more resistance in that area because this was a Fib level and the previous swing high, but actually that we break above it directly is quite a bullish signal. So what we have to do going forward is just to add the next Fibonacci extensions to get an understanding of what are the next relevant targets, and we have to adjust Fibonacci support for any wave 2 pullback here, but it is that this is a moving support area that will move up with the price. As long as the price pushes higher, we have to adjust this support box. But that shouldn't be a surprise. If you watch previous videos, then you know that this support area will really only be locked down on the chart, fully defined on the chart, once we have a local top in place there for that wave 1. Okay, I always have to say that. So sometimes people, when they watch the videos, they don't really know how the Elliott wave structures work or how to understand the analysis. They think just because I put a support area there, the price has to start a pullback. Far from that. That's why I give you normally the key levels that need to be broken to the downside to indicate that that pullback has started. And only then, when those signal levels are broken, we have a confirmation that this pullback has started. By the way, this pullback would be a wave 2, most likely, and should be an ABC structure. Corrective pullback. Okay, if we see any 5-wave move down, especially if the price breaks below the 78.6 Fib level, whatever that level might indeed be price-wise, once the top is in, we can define that. Well, that would be a strong indication that, we might not see further upside continuation. For now, things are looking good. I'll keep you updated. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.